I'm a woman of a certain age. This computer may have been involved in my first sexual experience.
Lacey has the floor.
So, AIM was a thing when I was and you know, sexting or cyber sex was a thing. So you know, when I'm a certain age, but online I was 19, female, California. One of them was involved in it, and I can still hear that door opening.
Deck and he door open? No, okay. All right.
What was his